Hello everyone, and welcome to eToll Free. Today, we're diving into a key feature that many of you have been curious about.
How do I create a VoIP phone extension?
Whether you're setting up your home office or configuring a system for your business, we've got you covered. Let's break it down into simple steps to get you connected in no time. Step 1. Log into your cloud phone system dashboard. First things first, from your eToll Free customer portal, click PBX Dashboard. This is your command center for all things related to your phone system. Step 2. Extensions. Once you're logged in, look for Accounts, then Extensions. This is where you'll manage all your phone extensions, or what we also call as VoIP extensions. Step 3. Add a new extension. Now, you'll see a button labeled Add or Create New Extension. Click this to start setting up your new phone line. Step 4. Fill in the extension details. Here's where you get to personalize your extension. You'll need to fill in a few details. Extension number. Choose a unique number that's easy to remember. Effective caller ID name. This is the name that will appear on the receiver's caller ID when you call. Voicemail password. Pick a secure password to access your voicemail. Make sure to fill out any other necessary fields to tailor the extension to your needs. After filling in the details, hit the Save button. Congratulations! You've just created a new VoIP phone extension. The last step is to set up this extension to a device or app so you can start making and receiving calls. You've successfully set up a VoIP phone extension. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.